What are tokens? Tokens are a digital representation of a specific asset or utility. They are created, distributed, sold, and circulated through a blockchain, which is a specialized type of decentralized database. Tokens can represent a variety of digital rights and physical assets. For example, a token can represent an amount of currency, a piece of art, a service, a stake in a company, a vote, or anything else the token's creator decides. Types of tokens. There are two main types of tokens: utility tokens and security tokens. Utility tokens give the holder the right to use a specific system or product. For example, a utility token might entitle the holder to use a cloud storage service or a new type of software. Security tokens represent an investment in a company or project. They are similar to shares in a company in that they entitle the holder to a share of the profits and a vote in the direction of the project or company. Security tokens are regulated by financial authorities and require compliance with securities laws. How are tokens created? Tokens are created through a process known as an initial coin offering, ICO. During an ICO, creators of a project sell tokens to raise funds. Buyers of these tokens are essentially making an investment in the project. They expect the token's value to increase over time, allowing them to sell their tokens for a profit in the future. Tokens are created using smart contracts, which are computer programs that automatically execute the conditions of a contract. Smart contracts are written on the blockchain, which means they are transparent and cannot be changed once they are created. How are tokens used? Tokens can be used in many ways. Some tokens are used to give users access to a service or product. For example, a user might need tokens to use a cloud storage service or to play an online game. Other tokens are used as a form of currency within a specific ecosystem. For example, tokens can be used to purchase items on a digital marketplace or to reward users for completing specific tasks. Some tokens are also used to represent real-world assets. For example, a token might represent an amount of gold, a piece of art, or a house. This allows assets to be traded and sold in a more efficient and transparent manner. Final considerations: tokens are an important part of the cryptocurrency world. They enable the creation of new types of digital assets and the tokenization of real-world assets. However, it is important to remember that buying tokens is an investment and as such comes with risks. Therefore, it is important to do your own research and fully understand what you are buying before investing in tokens. In addition, regulation around tokens is still under development. This means that there can be legal and regulatory uncertainties surrounding the ownership and use of certain types of tokens. Therefore, it is important to stay up to date on the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space.